What's good, y'all? It's your boy Lux out here. Oi! Today we back with another video. Oi! With that being said, man, hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you are, hit that like. You know what I'm saying? If you're having a fantastic day, you wake up today, you're in a good mood, hit the like. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you're new to the channel, man. As you guys can see, the little clip you saw at the beginning, I went to a car show. It was fun. I enjoyed myself. It's the next day right now, you guys can tell. I'm not gonna talk too much. I do have some more bangers coming soon. Stay tuned. You know, it's the summertime. It's a beautiful day today. It's been raining lately in Florida, man. In Miami, the weather it's been on some other BS. So the past couple of days, 2 days, 3 days, 2 days, it's been sunny. So it give me time to go out and go shoot some videos, mostly public interviews, videos and stuff. But yesterday I went to a car show, man. I'm not gonna be talking too much, man, because I don't want to be boring you guys me talking about what's coming up. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. One more time, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Peace. Or not peace. See you guys in the man, enjoy the video. Bad, the lighting is bad.
Put your flash on.
What it do? No, for my face, bro. I mean, I know I'm already dark, man. I know you guys can see me. Yeah, you got a char card over there, yo.
Whoa. I can smoke that.
That thing's...
I know.
Oh, okay. That's another Hellcat. Just in a truck.
Yeah, exactly.
Man, they got some cool cars over here. Okay. That Mustang is on bag, I can tell you that.
My ears are so good that one.
I'm sure your guys them shit was crazy. Can you hear shit right now?
Hell nah, bitch, my ears are done.
Nah. It's a rap. How about you, babe? Can you hear some?
It's crazy.
She can't hear shit. Got a little Honda over there doing his little thing, man. And if the camera not gonna be much on me, yo, I'm gonna put it towards the cars most of the time. It's like you can see me anyway, you know what I'm saying? So if you're not in there, I'm gonna go in and talk to y'all guys. This sun that going crazy, so I'm about to put you guys on the action right now. Those babies out here be loud, man. This shit is crazy! Get your shit! Crazy! They everywhere! Them boys everywhere, man! I'm telling you, they everywhere! Everywhere. We got a 350Z over there. Them boys everywhere, man. If you guys enjoyed this video, man, don't forget to hit that like. You know what I'm saying? Give that video a like. We at this bit, the 5-0 coming, so you know everybody living this bit. Everybody living. We at this motherfucker. Bring your ass on. Oh, nigga. Thank you guys. If you make it to the end of the video, thank you for watching. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. With that being said, man, if you guys want to see more content on me going to the car shows, car meet, stuff like that, leave a comment down below. You know what I'm saying? Or, a thumbs up if you really want to see content like this. And I have some public interviews coming soon, so stay tuned for that. With that being said, without any further ado, thanks for watching. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Coca-Cola. Can't control my drip. Sauce all on, who gon' clean this shit? Sauce all on, ice on my neck, ice on my bitch. Sauce all on, I got the drip, I got the drip.